Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to paint this. And this can be made in any color you need. So join me at my craft table. First things first, I'm gonna cover my table so I don't have to repaint it again. I'm gonna take a garbage bag and cut it up one side and across the bottom and then tape it down into place. And voila! You're ready to go. We're gonna need white paint. Oh, I'm almost out of black paint. A yellow, orange, or gold for your sun. And of course, your mountain colors. Containers to mix your paint in. Brushes, a small one and a wider flat one. A canvas, of course. Cardboard, and something to draw a circle with. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to paint the top half of our canvas white. I know it's already white, but you really need to paint the top half of it white. This I also recommend doing with a very wide brush. This took a little bit longer because I had this small skinny brush. Then decide on your sun. I went with the green ribbon for the size of my sun. And I mixed my golds together and I painted my sun. This is about as complicated as you're gonna get for painting skills. Alright, next we're gonna take our cardboard and we're gonna rip it so it's nice and jagged. And then trace the edge. Awesome, rip it again, retrace the edge. Rip it again, and so on and so forth down your canvas until you have a beautiful mountain range. I ended up with about 5 mountain ranges. I'm going to take my purple and I'm going to divide it into different sections, and then I'm going to mix them with different amounts of paint. Hint from the future, make sure you mix enough paint to cover your section. Because you're never going to be able to mix that same color again perfectly, and you'll have to repaint that whole section if you don't have enough. Start with your lightest color at the top. I use a smaller brush to kind of cut in with the different points and ridges that were made, and then I use the wider brush to fill in the main section of the mountain. It's okay if it overlaps a few times, makes it a little bit more organic. I ended up with 5 mountain ranges on my canvas, so I only had to mix 4 colors of paint, because one of them is going to be the actual color of the tube of paint. It's not going to be smooth or even, it's not going to be perfect. There is no such thing as perfect. Even the Mona Lisa doesn't have eyebrows. Maybe the Mona Lisa had eyebrows at one time, but even she doesn't have them now, and unless somebody points them out, you're not going to notice. You could also alter this canvas by making the sky a darker color and maybe making a moon instead of a sun. Now here is when I went in with my second coat of my base purple for that layer, and then I had to repaint that second level because I didn't have enough the first time. That was my bad. Don't forget to sign your work at the end of it. Let it dry and you are all done. If this helped you at all, give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Oh, and tell me what your favorite color is in the comments down below. And of course, this can be customized for whoever you're giving it to or for yourself, simply by changing the color of the mountains. Alright, that's it for this one, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye!